Yeah, there's a very strange sense of terror that comes from knowing exactly what's going to happen to you. There's a strange sense of calm that comes from it also, but in the middle of the night when you can't sleep, sometimes you feel happy knowing what they're trying to do to you, and sometimes you feel terrified knowing what they're trying to do to you. I think I'm very happy. Every single podcast I did previous to this, I hammered the point home and I made it very clear that they had the intention of trying to put me in jail. I said there's 3 lives. They try and cancel you and slander you and destroy your name. They don't just want you to disappear from the internet. They want you to disappear from the internet in a cloud of shame. They have to shame you, which is why they chose the crimes they did for me, and it's why they usually choose the crimes they choose, because it's heinous. They want to shame you, and they want you to disappear with your head facing the ground and never pop up again. Obviously, they attempted to cancel me, and I became more famous than ever before. I even said to you on your podcast, and I said on other podcasts, I said, I think they made a mistake. I think when you have power and you overuse it, what happens is a rebellion. That's how a revolution starts. When you have power, you have to be very, very careful with how you use that power. The second you overuse it, there's a revolution, and we're in Romania, so they know all about that. That's exactly what happens. And I said at the time, I think I was a mistake. I think they made a big mistake canceling me the way they did. And then the second time, the second life, which I described as they try and put you in jail for no reason. Here we are in the current scenario. I knew it was going to happen. And the third one is they put a bullet in your head. So we're going to have to see how the second life plays out. And yeah, I mean, when this is all over and I win the court case and I get the not guilty, I won't be smiling. I'll be walking out the courtroom with my head on a swivel. That's the kind of life I'm living now. I'm going to be thinking, oh, okay, so their second attempt failed. Now what? Like, do I want to fly private anymore? Do I want to go that place anymore? You start to think about these things. Like, do I want to do these things? A lot of billionaires dying in plane crashes. It's strange. So it's scary, regardless of how it plays out. And I guess you just have to go with the punches and see where it lands. And God has a plan for me and for all of us, and we're just going to see how it ends up. I want to make it very clear, and I make it clear on absolutely every single podcast, I would never kill myself. I don't care what they say. I don't care what video they show you. Never under any circumstance would I kill myself. It's haram. Never. I don't care if they put me back in the dungeon, solitary confinement by myself for the rest of my human years. I would never kill myself, ever, ever. So if that ever happens, God forbid, do not believe whatever garbage they tell you. The chance of me killing myself is precisely 0. They have to damage my influence. They have to damage my influence. They can't sit there and let me be influential because I'm saying things that they don't like me saying. And there are people sitting around going, he's saying things counter to our message and counter to our narrative. Get rid of it. And they have a pretty standardized playbook. And this is probably one of the first times in history where their playbook just isn't working. Cancel him. He's still around. Oh, well, lie about him in the news. Just say he touches chicks. Well, no one believes it. Oh, all the comments are on his side. Everyone's calling us liars. Okay, then do it again. Then do it again. Make up a new girl. Then do it again. Find someone else. Yeah. And they keep attacking me with the same weapons, but the bullets are bouncing off. And that doesn't give me a sense of calm. That doesn't make me think, ha ha ha, I'm invincible. It makes me think, uh-oh. It makes me think, uh-oh, because human life is cheap at the top. It's very cheap. It's interesting, because sometimes I analyze myself and think, why don't I just do that? Why don't I just disappear? You know, I don't need money. I don't need fame. Why don't I just disappear? And then you have to, I was saying this to my brother, and he was like, well, Genghis Khan didn't need Vienna. Some people are just wired that way. Like, Vienna's a long way from Kathmandu. Sometimes that's just the way it is, or Ulaanbaatar, I apologize, the capital of Mongolia. That's just the way some people are. If I see injustice, and if I see things which I believe to be false, I feel like I am obligated to say the truth. I can't explain why, even if at my own detriment. What am I doing this for? Like, it's to the detriment of my life. And I've had these conversations at length with the people close to me, and we're all saying the same thing. It's always been the same way. Humanity's always been the same way. There's been a select, small, few good men up against evil, and evil always outnumbers you. Evil always has more money than you. They always have more power and more influence than you. If you play any video game, when you get to the end boss, he always has more life than you. He always has more hit points, but you're the good guy. And it's kind of like, it's never been any different. At any point in human history, there's been the good guys up against the forces of evil, whatever they were of the time, and you've always been outnumbered and you've always been supposed to lose. Well, instead of saying who, what I will start by saying is what they do. And what they do is they control information. And we now live in an information society, and by controlling information, they control how people think and act and react to things. That's all they have to do. They have to control information, and they have to be very selective with what they allow you to talk about and what they allow you to discuss and what they don't. And once they can do that, they can keep you bickering about garbage, and they can control the sensitive information, and then they run the world. So having all the information controlled and having this hard barrier on what can be discussed, that's how they can purport absolute fallacies. I think now it's been a couple years, we can probably talk about it. They psyoped the world into believing they should be afraid of the common cold. They psyoped the world into this. And if you think about how difficult that would be to do, how difficult would it be to psyop the entire population of Earth? Well, what you do is you just lie on repeat, and you don't allow anyone to say anything counter to it without hurting them the same way I've been hurt. And you just psyop them. It's actually amazing because now I use that exact same psyop on people. I love it. I love it. So when I sit with someone who's not matrix minded, when I sit with someone who is matrix minded, like when the BBC walked in here, I'm like, do you all have your vaccinations? Social distancing. Did you actually? 100%. Social distancing, please. And they look at me like I'm crazy. Well, how am I crazy? 2 years ago, you were telling me to do this. Now when I repeat your own worldview to you, I'm crazy. Well, if I'm crazy, guess what? You're a fucking liar because you lied the whole time. So either you're a liar or I'm not. You know, how can I be nuts? Put your fucking mask on. If I ever talk to any of these clowns again, they're going to be fully masked up. And I refuse. I don't care if you've had 2 booster jabs. No, I want all 6. All 6 injections. I want paperwork. Or get fucked.
You're not coming in the house.
I'm scared of COVID. It's dangerous. I believe the mainstream media. I'm scared.
This word you keep using, PSYOP, I've never heard this word. It's short for psychological operations?
Correct.
Break that down. What exactly is a PSYOP?
Yeah, a PSYOP is the matrix as a whole. It's like psychological operations are constant. They constantly decide how they want you to think and what they can do to make you believe that, right? There's a whole bunch of them they do. But it starts with tolerance. That's what I don't like about this whole guise of tolerance. It's not that I'm an intolerant person. It's not that I'm a bad person. It's not that I want to hurt other people. But when they keep pushing tolerance, what they're trying to say is have no standards or barriers or parameters for anything. That's what they want. You have to be tolerant. Tolerant of what? Tolerant of having your shop set on fire, tolerant of your kids being taught things you don't want, tolerant of crime, tolerant of your house being broken into. Like, tolerant of what? You're not allowed any hard barrier or any hard parameters as a man anymore. That's why they push tolerance. That's the beginning of it. That's the first stage. Once you accept absolute tolerance, well then it's the end, isn't it? I'm tolerant of everything. I'll eat the bugs. Sure.
You'll tolerate everything.
I'll tolerate everything. I'm tolerant. Sure. So when I say things like I'm intolerant of certain things and people think that's bad, no, you need to have standards and parameters. And that's one of the reasons they also attack me. I say that men should be allowed to have standards and parameters in a relationship and in their lives. We should be allowed to decide who we want to marry, and we should have standards for her. They have standards for us. We should allow ourselves to have standards for her. We should have standards in what we'll accept from a government and standards in what we'll accept from a police force. We should have standards as men. But they're trying to erode all of that, because once that's gone, then your brain is completely empty. And then once your brain's empty, they can just plug in the slave program, and then it's over, right? You're a tolerant person. You're a tolerant person. Good. You're a good slave. Slaves are exceptionally tolerant.
They're good for different things, man. But they both have the same basic worldviews, the same basic what's the word I'm looking for? Propaganda. The same. They're trying to hypnotize you in the same way, right? And it's all done on purpose. I think we've discussed this before, and we'll discuss it certainly a bit later, but they're trying to destroy the masculine imperative to prevent revolution. So it's all kind of the same. There's certain things I respect about each country. But it was good to certainly at a young age move around a bit as well. It allowed me to never, ever really settle in a school and make a bunch of good friends or anything like that. So I always understood, even from a young age, how to make people like me quickly, and also how unimportant the relationships from those people were, right? I wasn't a kid who's like, oh, I'm going to miss my best friend. I was like, okay, you were my best friend for 2 years. Peace. I'm out. I was like that. So that's probably another reason why me and my brother are so close. So yeah, it was a good upbringing. I can't have nothing bad to say about it. I was just raised by the OG. My dad was a G. Big, black, chess master, huge, drinking, gambling, pimping. Like, he's just out here. He was just that guy, right? So he was like that to the end. So he was a hero. Yeah. So chess, I mean, obviously my father was a chess master, right? So I had to learn the game. He sat me down. I spent a lot of time learning it. And to this day, I have massive respect for chess. So much respect for the game. It's so much harder at that world level than people can even fathom. Unless you even play the game, you can't even anticipate how good these people are at the game. They're effectively computers. I don't think you can even be good at chess at that level without having something a little bit wrong with you. You got to be on the spectrum somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Because it's crazy how good these guys are. But yeah, chess is an amazing thing. I still play chess every day. I'm not world level or anything. I'm around 1750, 1800 elo. If anyone knows chess, that's what I am. But yeah,
would that be considered better than average?
Certainly better than average. Yeah. You know, the average player, let's say, is around 1,000 or something.
Okay.
But my dad was 2,400.
Okay.
2,500.
Damn.
So yeah, so I'll give you an example. My dad could beat me without looking at the board. So my dad would be in the kitchen, fucking around the kitchen, cooking dinner. I'd be in front of a chessboard in the living room, and I'd say E4. He'd say C6. Knight F3, Knight C3. And boom, and he'd smoke me without looking at the board. That's how good the bet. It's insanity. Yeah. But I do think it's a good basis for life. There's certainly a lot of lessons in chess. There's certainly a lot you can attribute to chess from everyday life to the chessboard. And I think it's a good grounding mechanism. I enjoy to sit down for a good couple hours, win some games, lose some games. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll give you my favorite one first.
Yeah. Please do.
My favorite one is the difference between the king and the queen. Right? Because the king moves one square at a time. And the queen can just zip across the board. Right? So you're here in Miami. You're partying in Miami. They got all these parties right now. It's Art Basel, blah, blah, blah. You see all these chicks on a boat. For the man to get on that boat, it's one square at a time. Right? He has to get a good job. He has to get his taxes right. He has to find a way to leverage credit. He has to meet the guy who sells the boats. He has to go through all this shit stage by stage by stage to finally pull off being on that yacht and having that yacht at the age of 56. A chick, what does she need? Lip fillers? Boom. Zip. On. She gets straight on. That's the difference between the king and the queen. But although the king is slower than the queen, he's the most important piece, right? The king can't die. The queen can die. The queen, sometimes you can be looking at a position and go, this is fucked up. The only way out of this is to sacrifice that bitch. Sometimes you can do it. I'll tell you a very quick story. This is a story I've never told before. When I was, how old was I? 23? When I was 23, I was dating a ballerina. She was the prima ballerina of the Cambridge Ballet School in England. And I had no money. I was a fighter, but I was coming up. I didn't really have any money. And she lived far away, like an hour and a half away, but she used to come see me, and we were good for like a year and a half. I loved this girl. Yeah. And she finished ballet school. She started dancing in clubs in London. She couldn't get any ballet work. Surprise, surprise. Who fucking wants ballet work, right? So she ends up doing like dancing and not stripping, but like dancing in the club, you know. So now she's around all the London money every day. She's out dancing all the time. She's up late every night. She doesn't want to drive an hour and a half to come see me. None of this shit. So we're kind of falling apart a little bit. And she ended up talking to someone famous, David Hay. I don't know who he is. He's a boxer. So David Hay starts texting this bitch, right? Back and forth to the... So anyway, when I finally saw her again, she was like, we had an argument. She's like, well, you know what? You think you're a fighter? This guy, that guy, this guy, that guy. I'm like, look, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least do it for money. And she's like, what do you mean? I was like, well, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least get paid because they don't give a fuck about you. Like, if you're going to play this game, at least do it for money. Right. So I had this argument with her back and forth, and I explained to her that these men are just going to use you. If you're going to do it, at least get paid. And when she left the house, Tristan said, why are you telling her to fuck other dudes? I'm like, no, I'm just understanding that in my chess position, I've lost this game. Right. The game is done now. Just sooner or later, she's out. All we do is argue. She's in the club every night. I'm just trying to say, before she leaves, maybe I can get a little bit of money. Yeah. That's the queen sacrifice, right? Right. We broke up 3 months later. I don't know if she fucked him or not, or who she fucked. I don't know. I never spoke to her since. But that's kind of the analogy you have to be able to apply to life. Sometimes chicks got to go. Yeah. Sometimes they have to go to save the king. And too many dudes, most of the time, men truly lose at life is because they've attached themselves to a queen and they won't let her up. They won't sacrifice her. No matter what, I promised I'm going to stick by you. This, our marriage vows, no matter what. And they just stay on that sinking ship till she eventually leaves his ass. Even worse, what most queens do, I don't want to use queens, what most women do nowadays, especially in the West, I see women getting their men in trouble all the time. You know how many times I've seen chicks starting fights for their dude to have to mop up? My man's gonna and the man's like, oh, fucking shut up, man. There's 4 of them. Do you know what I mean? Like, even if he's a big dude, he's like, I don't really need this now today. You know what I'm saying? Man, another story. I have so many stories in my life. My life's been cool. Back around the same time, I'm 22, 23 years old, kickboxer. I was British champion. I wasn't world champion at the time. It was 4 a.m. The club just ended. I was in a chicken and chip shop. It's an English thing. They sell like fries and fried chicken and they're open 24 hours. Like, yeah, something like that. And there's a long line. An Audi with tinted windows pulls up. These 3 big black guys get out, push it straight in front of the whole line, go straight up to the front, cut in front of 5 people and start ordering. My girl goes to me, we've been waiting here ages. I said, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. She goes, you're just going to let them push in? I said, shut the fuck up. So I made her be quiet, right? Anyway, the man two in front of me, not this guy, the guy here, he couldn't tell this bitch to shut up. She's like, excuse me, there's a line. And the guy turns around and goes, you think I don't see the fucking line? I don't care about a fucking line. So she starts running her mouth. Bro, this dude knocked her the fuck out. Oh, man. Whack, clean, out cold. By the time her man looked at her and looked back up, boom, sparked, done.
Whoa.
Both of them. And I stood there and watched both of them just laid out clean. Yeah, fatalities, bro. It was, I wouldn't be surprised if they both have permanent damage. It was bad. The three dudes who ordered the chicken and chips didn't even take their food. They started laughing, walked back out, got in the car. And I turned around and said to my girl, you see, some people are just ready to fucking go to jail. Some people are ready to kill people over fucking nothing. You want me to fight? Oh yeah, I can fight, but what am I fighting these three dudes for? What, fries?
Yeah.
What, fries and a 10-minute delay?
Damn.
Man, and this what bitches will get you into this shit.
Yeah.
Bitches will get you into this shit fast. And that's why when I see dudes saying, oh yeah, she's just my friend, you're hanging around with girls and they're not even giving you pussy and they might get your ass killed. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Girls are a liability. They're a liability to have around you because you have a duty to protect them in some regard. I curate my experience very, very carefully. Any woman I'm around, I understand I have to protect. So she better suck something. Because I ain't fucking sitting around being friends with no bitch. Because I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen so many men have their ass kicked over chicks. It's incredible. 100%, man. They're a liability. And it's not necessarily just completely their fault.
Yeah.
But if you're rolling with a chick who won't shut up when you tell her to shut up, you need to be careful, man. And Myron nailed it. There's a big difference between fighting and violence.
Yeah.
Like, I'm a professional fighter, right? I know how to fight. But fighting and violence are different things.
Yep.
If I wanted to get violent on somebody, I just run them the fuck over. Like, forget fighting, right? If somebody who hurt my family was on the sidewalk, I'm not gonna get out and fight the guy. I'm just gonna just run him over my fucking truck. We'll talk about violence. Because if you rely on the government for food stamps, then you can't argue with the government, can you? So that's what they want. So anyone who believes in the Matrix and believes in media and believes in the lies they're told, anyone who sits there and goes, that's true, it's literally designed to make you broke. That's why it's all a scam. Do your GCSEs, do your A-levels, get in debt, go to uni, get out, get a shit job, get a mortgage. Don't worry, when you've paid that mortgage off when you're 61, then you'll have enough money to go to Spain for holiday. Then your pension comes. Oh, government doesn't have the pension money anymore. Funny enough, hedge fund stole it. Oops-de-doops. And then you wake up one day and go, whoa, I just got fucked. So the whole scam, the whole story is a lie because they want you broke. They don't want you rich. If you're rich, you won't listen to them. So all of it's a fucking lie. And intrinsically, we all know this, right? When I pull up in one of my 30 cars to a gas station and people look at me and they see a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg, whatever I'm driving, nobody goes, wow, he went to school. No, they think drug dealer, gangster. They're thinking he broke the rules because anyone who follows the rules doesn't get shit. It's all a scam. It's all a fucking lie. So the slave minds are fucked, but those are the only ones who are too stupid to make money. Anybody who understands that the Matrix is lying to them is smart enough. So very small percent are too stupid. Inside of our school, at the height of it, before the Matrix attack, we're relaunching now, we had 175,000 students.
Wow.
When we had 175,000 students, maybe 2,000 we kicked out for being too stupid. It's step by step. Do this, do that, do this, and don't be lazy. Fuck, it's not that hard, right? So stupid's not the problem. So we have people who are lazy, very few are stupid, but the majority, the main reason most people are broke is because they are arrogant. I will sit here and say all the things I've said. I will do this, take time out of my life for free. Somebody at home will watch and digest it for free. They will agree with the things that are being said, or at least be entertained enough to continue to watch. And then I'll say, I'll teach you how to make money online. CobraTake.com, you can join the real world. And they'll sit there and go, nah, I'll do it myself. They're arrogant. They have these egos from fuck knows where because they didn't earn it. And they're just too arrogant to listen to anybody. I became world champion by listening to my coach. I didn't become world champion by walking in and saying, I'll do it myself. That's not how you get anywhere in life. You have to listen. If Mike Tyson were to walk in, or if Elon Musk were to walk in here and talk to me about money, I wouldn't be sitting there going, I can do that. I'd be like, oh, Mr. Elon, richest man in the world. Hello, very nice to meet you. Please, even though I already understand I don't want to launch a car brand or put rockets in space, please, you must know some things I don't know. How do you deal with the currency fluctuations? Does inflation impact how much it costs for you to send a rocket into space? Like, I'd ask him something that's useful, right? But some people are so brutally arrogant that they'll sit here and they'll listen to all the things I say, and they'll agree that I'm intelligent, they'll agree I'm massively successful, but they'll sit there and go, yeah, but you know what? I'll do it myself. I don't want to join that school. I'll do it myself. They're arrogant. Everybody's fucking arrogant. I sit with people who I used to go to school with from Luton who are still broke and tell them how to make money. And you know what they do? They answer back.
Yeah, but it's not that simple because the wife gets the kid, and you know what? And I don't like to do things that way. The way I like to work, the way you like to work is why you're fucking broke. So what the fuck are you talking about? You just sat here and wasted 10 minutes of my time. I told you how to take your business of painting and decorating or whatever the fuck you're doing and make a serious amount of money, and now you're telling me the way you like to work? Then stay fucking broke. The fuck you want me to do? What level of arrogance? But this is people. They'll sit with a multi-millionaire and tell you their view. Oh, I think that know when you're out qualified and accept it and learn. So we all do. I can't play piano for shit. The piano teacher walked in here and said, this is what you do. And I said, well, I like to move my hands this way. What kind of dumbass? But this is the arrogance people operate under. So I'd say 20% of people are lazy, 20 to 25%. A large portion of the world are not lazy. They're actually working exceptionally hard, but they're doing the wrong thing. 5% of people are too stupid. So say 25%, 5% is 30%. But 70% of people are brutally arrogant, and this is why they are poor. That's the truth. Good question. I've talked about this already. It was an unorthodox strategy. I've talked about it at length, so I won't give the whole story because it's too long. But I identified a gap. I identified a market. I approached the scenario and the situation extremely professionally. And I worked exceptionally hard. I made my first $1 million. So my first millions came from owning a webcam studio. So I saw a little advertisement in the corner of a webpage saying, talk to live girls now. I've never been a porn guy. I'm not interested in that shit. But I was like, that's interesting. I know some girls who need some money. Boom, boom, boom. I put together this apparatus, extremely professional. No fucking sexual misconduct, no Dan Bilzerian, no threesomes, nothing. Very professional. 50-somes if it's down. Very professional outfit. And I used all my business knowledge, all my life knowledge, and I applied it. I worked 22-hour days, I would say. I got to the point where I was so tired, that I said, you know what, give me 20 minutes. And if I could hear the alarm go off, I'd get up. Sometimes I just slept clean through it, and I slept an hour or two. For months and months and months, and I built an empire. I built an insanely large empire at one point. I'm completely out of that business now, but how did I do it?
As in, did you sell it?
I didn't sell it, I just closed it all down, I moved on. I started making a bunch of money and I found other opportunities. But how did I get that opportunity? Perspicacity, first thing I said, pay attention. I paid attention. I looked at the girl. I'll give you the coffee shop example. This is what I did. I clicked on that advert, I saw the girl sitting there, miserable, waiting for a customer. I thought nobody's gonna buy from an unhappy bitch. These men are, the men who are paying her are trying to escape an unhappy life, or they wouldn't be doing this shit. So when I got my girls online, smile. Happy girls get paid. That was the token, that was the slogan. Happy girls get rich. Joking, ha ha ha. Who's you gonna pay? You're gonna pay the girls like, yeah, having a blast. So I paid attention to the competition. I saw an opportunity, just like the coffee shop. So all the things they did wrong. The room was messy, camera quality was shit, just the basic stuff. The way the girl acted and interacted, all that stuff. And I applied it all by paying attention countless hours watching everybody else, finding the way to do it better. So I quit the coffee shop and I did it better. So I was absolutely not really perspicacious, and that's how you make money. And I did it with that, but I could have done it with anything. And now I do it with everything. The story of me sending a text message via my network and having a coffee shop is a true story. I've been in there maybe twice. I don't even go. And I have mechanisms in place to make sure I'm not robbed too badly, because unfortunately a little bit of cash goes missing. But everything's in place and it makes me money. I don't think I've even drunk my own coffee. I identified, I put together a list. It needs to be like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I have competent people who work for me, which is very hard to find, but I do. They understand to follow the doctrine to the doctrine, and I'm getting money into a bank account. That's it. And you can do that with literally anything if you have a strong network and you pay attention. You can do anything. Even podcasts. We're doing a podcast right now. You guys are already big and successful at this. I'm telling you, you can look at the biggest podcasts in the world and still see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong. That's the game. That's the game. And then you have to outcompete everybody else. So you made a very interesting point there. You just said on the face of it appeared to be blatantly misogynistic. I understand that on the face of
All right. All right. All right. So, hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. So, yeah, man. Another week. Oh, what the hell is this? Column. I don't need daily change. I need spreads. Bid high, bid low. Yeah, I think, yeah. So spreads on GJ goes high, no problem. We are not doing anything in this range. UJ, we are still in no trade range. EU, Euro USD is also in no trade range. Let me see. Yeah, we should be good. I think that area would be good. So let's see what we are doing here. So right, weekly did close bearish and it closed strong bearish with a small wick as compared to the body. Yeah, and this candle has to go up to create a top wick for the weekly candle, and in this way we can see this candle that it may came up to this level 2036, 2038 or 2035 to create a top wick and close in this range here. Daily candle. Oh, let me customize this. I don't need equidistant channel, Fibonacci retracement, arrows, nothing. I need some shapes here. Oh, where are the shapes? Man, oh, all right. Here is the rectangle. All right, got the rectangle. It should be here. No, I think it should be here. Yeah, rectangle is here. Here it should be fine. Close. So, and at the end of the day, we can see this candle to close below this range. So you know what? Today, all right. So let me parameters. Let me fill this. Color should be. Let me see the color on my laptop. Silver. Where is the silver? Let me see, where is the silver? Oh, all right. Here is the silver, and we want this, and I think we are done. Is this looking good? Let me see the rectangle here. Is it also silver? Silver. Delete this. Actually, I add my account on the new MetaTrader. I don't think so it make any sense. So yeah. So after the, yeah, we can see the candle close below this range. Yeah. After grabbing the liquidity, we can see this candle to close below this range, and last daily was bearish. We break the high of the bearish candle, and now we are open for the buys. Now we are open for the sells. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and if we look at the 4-hour time frame, here is the support, here was the resistance, but I think now we have a resistance over here, 2035, and we create a brand new support here. And if we go to the 1-hour time frame, yeah, now we can get the resistance, we can find the support. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. We have to adjust the resistance. Fine. We have to adjust the support. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. We have to adjust the support, and resistance is at a good place. Let's see what do we have on the left hand side. Is everything good? Let me see. Yeah, everything should be good. All right. So, and the best thing is, wait a minute. Yeah, best thing is we got a bottom wick for the 4-hour candle. So, mm, mm, oh, what the hell is this? Let me see what he is saying. Oh shit. Shit, man. So yeah, this is what I think. We are good. We got the bottom wick. I think if this candle can close bearish, that would be more good. If it close bullish, we shouldn't have any problem. And yeah, 30-minute was also bullish. So yeah, let's see how it goes, how our day goes, and yeah, let's see how our day will goes. So for now, we have our potential buys. What the hell is this? Oh, oh no, 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 no. I don't like this, man. Uh, what the hell is this, man? Uh, properties. Alright, draw object as a background. Alright, so now we should be good. So let's see, man. 93 parameters, 9387. Here are the potential cells close below this range. Potential buys close above this range. 40 and 35, 45. Oh, 34. All right, so yeah, man. Now I know what I have to do for the rest of the day. So I am, let me wait a minute. Uh, 45, 44. Yeah. Now I know what I have to do. I am looking for potential buys. I think I have to do the setting for everything, man, because I am using this new method. Right. Oh shit. Broker is not responding. Fuck. Close. Yeah, man. I'm looking for potential buys close above, and yeah, yeah. I don't wanna add anything more here. This is the. I think that should be the partial TP area. That should be the break-even area. Yeah. Break-even area. And partial TP area. Yeah, man. That's it. Break-even area, partial TP area. Let's see what GJ is doing. So 4 hour did close with no wick at the bottom. Oh fuck, man. This is not good. This is not good. UJ did close with a wick at the bottom. Yeah. So what I'm looking for UJ 15. Yeah, let's see if we can get the closure below this range with the structure. So GJ, I am looking for yeah, sells below this range. Yeah, man. GJ, I am looking for sells below this range and buys above this range, above all these rejection areas. No, no, maybe, no, no, no. Where is the 4 hour candle high? Here is the 4 hour candle high. If we can get the closure above this range, I think we should be more good. This is a 20 pip range. This is a range in the range. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is amazing. Look at this. If we can get the closure above this range, I think 1 hour should be the rider. Yeah, 1 hour should be the rider. But first of all, we have to look for sales. We have to look for the stuff that market is try to give us. What we want, it doesn't matter. What market want, it does matter. Yeah, it does matter. Yeah, actually, this is the only thing that does matter. Anything else doesn't matter. We always have to respect the markets. So today, as I go to the Forex factory, what I see we don't have anything fundamental today. So yeah, man, if we look at this, so we all know like we have a, so yeah, for now let's delete this. So now this is a question like uh, GJ may reject from the GJ may reject from the 188 level, or it may come down. It's up to the GJ. So if we can get the 30-minute time frame that can close below this range, and it will close below 188 level that is over here, that means we are good to go down. Yeah, and yeah, yeah. So yeah, man, we have to wait. All we need is candle to close below 30-minute time frame. 15. Yeah, 15 is looking good if this 15 mechanic can close below the range. But the structure is here, way above here. So what I will do here, I will stop loss will be like 22, 23 pips here. Oh wow, UJ is also at the support area. Same thing, identical thing like GJ. Like this candle has no bottom wick. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. This candle has no bottom wick. Previous candle is bearish. Previous is bearish. Previous is bullish. Previous is bullish. So it is going identical as the UJ or GJ. They are both are identicals now. UJ 30-minute time frame, GJ 30-minute time frame, gold. Oh wow. So if this candle can come down, create a bottom wick and close above the range, this can also be a good trade. But we all know we need bottom wicks, we need top wicks, we need all the stuff that makes a trade a good trade. And today I also add the magic keys on my PC. You can see my everything, my stop loss or my pending order. You can see everything, man. So yeah, you can see everything. Yeah, GJ, UJ. We have 10 minutes. And what can I do now? I think I can. Oh shit, man. So what I was doing here, I think I was Looking at the funding frontier, man, their spreads are crazy. I bought a challenge, and now their spreads are not looking good at all. And uh, still I have 2.5 pips spread in pre-London session. Let's see if they can reply me, man. I asked them to change my broker, but they are not changing my broker, man. If they can change my broker, I think I would be good with the new. Oh, I think I got the reply. New message. No, man. So they are not giving me a reply. They are not even seeing my messages now. He is online. No doubt about that, but yeah. So look at this. JJ is rejecting from this area. This is the thing that I said. That will be the thing we will see. Like it can reject from this area. It can gives us a closure below the range. So like this is the thing. Like we may reject from 188. We may close below the 188. So yeah, if this candle, man, it looks like a little overextended, but let's see if it can close above the range. We may go for a trade, but if this candle can come down, break its own low, give a bottom, take a bottom wick, and then close above the range, then we will definitely go for a buy. We will. All right. Oh, one more thing, man. One more thing. I need a closure above this range, above this level, 2028. Yeah, 2028, man. This is a good level, man. We can reject from this area. So let me give you the example. This is where daily start. So yeah, 5 minute is way too bullish. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame, and let's see. Look at this 1 minute candle. We were pushing up 49 pips, but what happened? We tapped into this area, closed bearish. That was the trade, and we come down to all the way down to this level, 2020, another key level. Then we reject from this key level, and now we are pushing to the 2028 key level. Yeah, now we are pushing to the 2028 key level, and maybe we reject from this key level and then come down. So that is why I'm saying I need a closure above 2028 level, because if we can get the closure above 2028 level, that would be the extra confirmation. So let's see. Let's see how the shit goes. Wow. Wow. Look at this, man. Yeah, this is also pushing up. And I like this. Why? If this candle can close bullish and the next candle gives us a closure below the range, wow, man, then what? Then we will have a support, and then we will have a new resistance, and that new resistance will gives us a structure, and that new resistance will gives us a stop loss, and that new resistance will gives us a high confirmation. So we are looking for high confirmation. Oh yeah, man, I need a closure above the range. So yeah, let's see. Oh, UJ is same thing. GJ is same thing. If this candle can come down all the way, that would be good. Hmm, that would be good if this candle can came all the way down. Hmm. Man, some of my father's friend are outside of my room, so I think it is raw and will be changing with each and every second and sometimes. Man, yeah. Hmm. Now we have a one like here and we have three peoples. Yeah, man, three peoples come in the hope of the trade. Yeah, three peoples come in the hope of a trade, man. So yeah, let's see how the volume come, man. But this 2028 key level is a strong key level. Look at this rejection on 2028, a strong key level. And we also have no volume. Ah, shit. Let's see, man. Let's go to the left hand side. Look at this. Come to the key level, reject, and rejection. Man, let's see. Hmm. We don't have any liquidity grab, man. Can this 15-minute candle? And man, I also add magic keys on my PC, so you can see my order, or you can see all the stuff that I'm doing here. Yeah, this is what I did. So before that, I always place my order on my laptop, and then I move to the my PC. But now I have a screen version for my laptop, and I have physical version for my PC. So Anas, you taking buys if it close above? Bro, it depends. Let's see how it close. Look at let me tell you two, three things. Like this candle has no bottom wick, and this is pushing from this level. And we also have a key level over here, and we don't have any kind of retracement. And look at this. So if this candle can come down, give this candle a bottom wick, then I will go for a buy. Not I will go for a buy. So yeah, let's see if we can get a retracement, if we can get a good bottom wick on the 30-minute time frame. because this is a key. This is a closure above on the 30-minute time frame. We need a bottom wick for the 30-minute time frame. GJ close above the range. 30-minute, yeah, it did above the range. Mm. So yeah, we need a good bottom wick here. A good bottom wick in this area. Where is the 15? Yeah, over here. Like just break the low. Or come down to this level is also good. If we can come down to this level is also good. Need a bottom wick in this area. These wicks, yeah, these wicks are also good. Let's see if we can get a good bottom wick. So yeah, if we can get a good bottom wick, I think we should be good to take a trade here. If we don't, I don't think so, man. Look at this, 5 minutes are respecting their lows. So this is the thing that I don't like. 5 minutes shouldn't respect the low. And we have a very small bottom wick. Let's have, yeah, very small bottom wick. Like how much is the bottom wick? Low is 31. Yeah, just one pip. So we don't like one pip bottom wick. We need a good bottom wick. Yeah, 6-7 pip bottom wick. If we don't have this level, then I would say, hey man, yeah, we will go for a buy, but we have at this level, so now we need a bottom wick. So if we can get a liquidity grab, what is the high of this candle? 78, 94. Yeah, no bottom wick, man. No bottom wick. Yeah, absolute no bottom wick. We need a bottom wick. And as I said before, man, we can see some low volume days until the what we say, man, until the FOMC. So yeah, we can see a low volume days, but the thing is, these days we have low volume. These days we have, yeah, man, we have low volume. We have no movement every time. We are respecting this area, and if we get into this trade, this will be not a good idea. That won't be a plus setup. So when we take A plus setups, then our win rate goes to 95, 94, or 90%, or 85%. But when we go to the A setup, then our winning rate goes to like then our winning rate goes to 80%. When we go to the B plus setup, our win rate goes to our win rate goes to 70%. When we go to the B setup, our win rate goes to 55%. When we go to C plus setups, so we need A plus setups. Let's see if this candle can come down to this level where I want. If it can come down, break the high, and we will also have a good stop loss. But for now, we have a man, like this is a no bottom wick. Yeah, man, this is no bottom wick. 1.5 pips. Uh, Anas, what your plans? What plans you have for this trade? Tell me, man. Like, are you looking for buys or are you not looking for buys? So I'm looking for a good bottom wick here. Let me see the oh wow. Look at on the 15-minute time frame on the Dominion markets, and you will see oh shit. This kind of close right at the spot on Dominion markets. Oh wow. We don't even close above the range. Oh shit, man. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, man. We don't even close above the range. Wow. On the Dominion market. As you all know, I always look at the Dominion market because I trust more on the Dominion markets as compared to the 8 cap. Even though they have better spreads than Dominion market, but man, their liquidity is way better than 8 cap. So one more thing I'm looking for here is if this candle can close bearish and the next candle gives us a breakout, and yeah, that would be more good for me. Yeah, that would be more good for me. I really want to see the or if this candle can come down more, man, because we have a serious problems here. Wow, beautiful. Look at this one more time. We are rejecting from this area. Yeah, rejecting from this area. So yeah, if we can come down, then come up close above the range, man, you can imagine like that would be the trade of the day. Yeah. Or if this kind of close bullish and the next kind of gives us a closure below the range. And I really like GJ in this 50 pip range. Oh wow, you can imagine like man how much 50 pip range is. 50 pip range is too much. Yeah, yeah, we have too much range. Mm, 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 mm. Let me do one more thing here. So 15, 30, 5. Let's see how this 5-minute candle close. Maybe we have a buy stop here, but I think let me change the risk. I will only risk like 0.5% here. Yeah, I will only risk 0.5% here. What the hell is this? Yeah, maybe. Let's see, man. Alright, 5-minute also closed below the range. Hmm. Pretty tough. Let's see how the 15 may kind of close. Spreads are looking good, not bad. Yeah, like now we have 3 minutes left for the candle to close, and we may get into this trade, and this kind of close below the range. We don't wanna, and also we close below the range on the Dominion market. So if we can get the closure, let me see one more thing. Chat section. I'm waiting for the setup bottom wick and then place a buy stop on the break of the highs. Yeah, now you should have a buy stop. All right, maybe you got in this trade. Yeah, but I'm waiting for the 15 minute candle to close above the range. Yeah, if this candle now come down, man, if somehow we can get a, I don't know, man. I don't know. What can I do, man? Look at this rejection. Look at this rejection on the 15 minute on the. So let's see how this kind of close. Oh shit. Yeah, let's see, man. So, mm, mm. And I don't know what I have to do now. Let me see the GJ. If we can get the closure below the GJ, I think that would be the best trade. Hmm. Gold is. Gold is. It is what it is. We have 2 minutes left for the candle to close. Yeah. 2 minutes. And gold GJ spreads are good on every pair. Hmm. Oh, wow. Yeah, we have 2 minutes left, 1.5 minutes left for the candle to close. Wow, man. But if this kind of close above this range, above 2028, that I will also like that. Then I can target this area 2034. Yeah. So let's see. We have 1 minute left. Yeah, 1 minute left for this candle to close. Hmm. Let's see how this candle close. Hmm. Oh wow. I want two things. One, this candle to close above the range, or this candle has to weigh. Oh wow, look at this. We did close below the range. Hmm. We did close below 2028. Should we wait for the salary play? What is the high? What is the high? 11. Man. Ah, man, I don't wanna go in the. Alright, so if this candle can close below the range, I will go for this trade. Yeah, I rather wanna miss this trade on gold. Yeah, I rather wanna miss this trade on gold. Yeah, I think for me to miss this trade is way better than get into this trade. Yeah. But if this kind of close bearish, that would be the trade. UJ, yeah, maybe we get the closure on UJ below the range. 1 hour is looking good. Yeah, if we get into this trade, we would be up like nothing. 3 pips. 1 hour is also looking good. And we have a range, 25 pip range. Euro USD is also pushing up. Ah, man, I don't know what we have to do. Maybe you guys get angry on me, bro. Yeah. Anas, are you in this trade or not? Tell me. Hmm. If you are in this trade, tell me, man. If you are not, still tell me. Let me see. Oh, wow. Above 2028, we get the one candle close. I am still not very confident on this trade. I think it still can go down. Yeah. I will tell you when I will get confident on this trade. Yeah. So if this candle break its own high, that would be the time when I can say, hey man, yeah. Wow, now this trade is valid. This trade is valid now. Yeah. Man. Mm. Mm. Wow. 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 Anas, yeah, I mean, yeah, bro. Let's go. Let's see what gold will do with you. So you should be up. Like now, you should be up 3 pips, but overall, you should go for 6 pips. Wow, beautiful, man. Beautiful. So, guys, can you leave a like on the stream? So, Can we see this candle to close like this for us to get into this trade? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, man. If you are in this trade. Oh, we did not close above the range on purple trading. Oh, wow, beautiful. Here I can see the high and the lows. Wow. Yeah, man. On this broker, I can't able to see the bar. Anas, what about now? Are you still in this trade, or are you at break even, or are you waiting for this candle to close, or what you are doing now? Like, yeah, I really wanna see like how you manage this trade. Yeah, you should be good for now, but I will tell you after 1 minute you have to be in this trade, or you don't have to be in this trade after 1 minute. But still we don't have any confirmation for the buys. Mm, wow, 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 wow. Oh wow. Maybe we see a push. If this trade goes for 10 pips, bro, close your trade, man. Don't wait for like more pips. If you can get 10 pips out of here, just take it. Ah, shit. Man, your entry is not 28. Yeah. Wait a minute. कौन है बैंड दा छोलड़े? Yesterday I blocked one person. And let me see, I think who is calling me? Chats privacy. Where is the blocked? Hmm. Hmm. Mobile data. Mobile data. Hmm. Let me see, man, who that shit is. 14. Yesterday I blocked a person. No, he is not that person. So, including cash and coin payment system. Man, oh, right, oh, right. Luck. Oh, wow. This shit is wow. ਆਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਮੈਚ ਵੇਖੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਹ ਯਾਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਯਾਰ ਭੈਣ ਯੱਕ ਆਦਮੀ ਹੈ ਹਾਂ ਅੰਡਰ 19 ਦੇ ਵਰਲਡ ਕੱਪ ਦਾ ਅਸਲ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਚੱਲ ਇੰਗਲੈਂਡ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਭਾਈ ਕੱਲ ਇੰਗਲੈਂਡ ਨੇ ਵਾਕਈ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਬੁੰਡ ਪਾੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਭੈਣ ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਾਡਾ ਮੈਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ ਵੈਸਟ ਇੰਡੀਜ਼ ਭਾਈ ਵੈਸਟ ਇੰਡੀਜ਼ ਬਾਲਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ Who is that person? So let's see. Wait a minute. Let me see the gold. Wow. think we did break the high one more time, no? Yeah, we did. We did. So yeah, let's see, man. I close the 5. I don't think it's gonna work out. Bro, this is not good, man. You shouldn't do that, man. If you enter the trade, just hold the trade, man. Don't do that. This is if you do this, man, then you are not going to make money from the markets. Shouldn't do that, man. So opportunity, yeah, yeah. I don't like that, man. Like when you say you will risk, like I usually take 1% risk, and now I uh, like lower down my risk to 0.5%, and I said, hey man, listen, I will risk 0.5%. So when I am risking 0.5%, then I know, man, I can lose this 0.5%. There is no problem, but I have to look for 0.5% gain. So yeah, man, that could be the 10 pip trade here. What is the high? Yeah, not 10 pips, 9 pip trade here, but still not one to one. What I'm looking for here? Yeah, UJ. Yeah, UJ. I'm looking for UJ. Open cash. So yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah, if it come down a little bit and then close with a bottom wick. Let's go, UJ. Fixed load side. Yeah, man. I'm looking for UJ. All I want from UJ is to close with a bottom wick. Uh, let's see if we can get the closure below. We have 1 minute left, I think. Yeah, 1 minute left for the candle to close. So I really want. Let's see. I want top wick. Yeah, top wick. Top wick. We have a bottom wick. Yeah, should be good. All right, man. Let's see if we can get a top wick. A little more top wick and should be good to go down. Got the closure on the 30-minute time frame. On the 15. Open trade. Oh shit. Let's see if it come up so I can have a sell stop, man. Oh, sell limit. I have sell limit now, man. What the hell is this? Oh man, what was that? So I don't want to enter into this trade. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, gold. Yeah, Anas. That is why you shouldn't close the trade at 5 pips, man. If you took the trade, you shouldn't close the trade at 5 pips. That was your entry. Your stop loss was 15, 16 pips. Yeah, you can get like, you can still get 16, 15 pips. Oh man, yeah. DJ close above the range, came down. Yeah, and one more thing you have to understand, man, we don't have a top wick. This is a reality for now. Yeah, we don't have a top wick. Oh man, I think we missed this trade, yeah. And we have to accept this. We missed this trade. Hmm. Let's see, man. I don't know. We still have nothing to do here. No top wick. The problem was I extended the chart too much there. Was like this. And I was like, yeah, we have a top wick, but that was just a 4 point top wick. And bottom wick is, yeah, it is good bottom wick, like 1.2 pip bottom wick. Low 80, yeah, 1.2 pip bottom wick. Let's see, man. Anas close the trade at 5 pips. Man. Yeah, can you guys leave a like on the stream? Hmm. Yeah, I said like this is a break-even point. That should be the partial TP. Wow. Mm-hmm. Wow, beautiful. Tapped into the break-even point. Yeah, man, tapped into the break-even point. Wow. So, man, the only thing I'm looking for now is GJ. If this 15 candle close bullish, next close below the range. But if this candle can close below the range, I will go for the trade. Yeah. I will risk $45 and gold. Man, gold is pushing up without any doubt, and it has to go up to 2034. Yeah, hit the break-even point, but it has a potential to go to this level. Wow. Yeah, man. I took this trade on the demo count. I would have took this trade on a man. No problem, man. No problem. If I miss this trade, no problem. What is this area? 2032, yeah, 2032. Let's see if it hits the 2032. 2032. Yeah, that trade is running 21 pips. 21 pips. I was like, yeah, man, let's see if this shit works out on the uh Euro USD. CAD GBPY was 30. 25 pips. Wow. 26. Yeah, this is running. I close. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh man. Started the week with missing a trade. Gold is pushing up. 31 pip here, man. Should have get into the trade, man. I wasn't expecting that much of volume. Wasn't expecting that much of volume. $34 pips. We are 3 pips away from the partial TP area. Man. Ha 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 ha. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see, man. Nine. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. One minute left for the candle to close. Man, that could be the trade of the week, man. But shit, made a mistake here. Let's see if this candle can close with the bottom wick. UJ is pushing down. Yeah, if this candle can close with the bottom wick, I think we should be good. I want this candle to, yeah, I want this candle to close like little, yeah, here. Low is 893. Yeah. Can we get a top wick here? Little bit of top wick, not a very big top wick. Let's see, man. All right. All right. So yeah, man. I have a sell stop here. Candle open 913 high 9. Let me pending order. Yeah, man, I have a sell stop here on pound yen. What the hell is this, man? Let me do one thing, man. Let me see, like, let me check one thing here. Yeah, why I can't market execute? Like when I try to, all right, got a good top wick here. Like when I place a sell stop, they were like, hey man, do you really wanna get into this trade? Fuck off, man. If I am looking for a trade, I really wanna get into the trade. And we are about to hit. So yeah, I have a sell stop. Yeah, sell stop on the break of the GJ low. I may lose this trade, I may win this trade, I don't care. Yeah, this is what I was. Man, I don't wanna experiment on this pair sell. They are saying fill or kill, immediate or cancel. Yeah, all right. Fuck, man, why they are doing this? Fill or kill. Like, if I have to take the trade on gold, what can I do? Is anyone knows how they are saying this? How can I fix this shit? Immediate or cancel? Yeah. Market execution. Gold, yeah. How can I take a buy or take a sell? Yeah, man, I have a sell stop here. Shit, I should held. Bro, I said you have to held this trade. If you get into the trade, then there is no mean for you to close the trade because of a FOMO. And how I am going to manage this trade? If any of the candle close above the range, I will cut the trade. Yeah, if any of the candle close. I'm trying to get the better entry, so that is why I am. I'm trying to get the better entry. What is the low of this candle? 9. Yeah. What if, man, why this shit is asking anything, man, everything? Why this is asking everything? File. Where is the settings? Yeah. I think we have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Again. And यक्की हो रही है यार. यार की बहन यक्की हो रही है. View new chart, open and deleted profile, close, open data folder. Man, how can I? Charts properties, show common, tools options. Oh wow. Tools window. I don't know how can I fix this problem, man. Oh, gold is pushing. So yeah, I'm going to delete the sell stop, and I delete the sell stop from my laptop. I'm facing a problem with my PC with this broker. Actually, I don't know why this is asking for the permissions. Like, if I have a sell stop, I need that trade. That is why I had the sell stop. Options, properties, insert file. So why I What the hell? So why I read the sell stop? It can activates us, and then it will close above the range. So I think if we can get the salary play, that would be good. Oh, UJ, was that a 10 pip? No, that wasn't a 10 pipper. Yeah, on the candle open. Oh, gold, man. Sell. Still they are saying comment. I don't wanna do the comment. Buy the market, sell the market. Then why you have this shit if you wanna do buy the market and sell the market? Wow, GJ is pushing up, so wow. Let's see how this kind of close. If it close below the range, I will add my sell stop one more time. So you know what? Let's take a weak entry here with a 1 pip stop loss. And I am going to have a sell limit with a 1 pip stop loss. Sell limit. Man, fuck you. For, yeah. Not 1 pip. I think I have to have less than a pip stop loss. Yeah. 0.4 pip stop loss. Like, I will lose like $0.4 if I got activated here. Maybe we got like 15 pips. That would be like 1 to 60 risk to reward. Oh shit, man. Gold gives us the trade today, but we didn't took that trade. Yeah. Yeah. 476, 476. Yeah, let's see if we can come up to 476. 1 pip up activates us, and then boom. Shit, I should hold, bro. Yeah. So GJ is pushing down, man. Can we get the closure below the range on GJ? Again, they are asking. Man, why they are asking, man? That is annoying me, man. Yeah, let's see if we can come up. And this is just bullshit trade that I am going to take. Yeah, I really want to risk like let's come up a little. $1. Oh shit. Let's put the $1 in risk and see if it works. 4 hour. Yeah. It was a 71. Oh man. Oh shit. This is pushing down. Yeah. Wow. We would be up 2 pips now. On that bullshit trade. Ah. So yeah. Waiting for मसरूर बंदे दी निशानी ओ पैन ने सिरी. Wow. Man, these are the weak trades. Weak trades. तेले बंदे दी निशानी हुंदी दोबारा पिछली गल दूसरी शुरू कर देगा कोई नवी गल सुना फजूल बंदे ने जाने यार मैं नहीं ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੂੰ ਪੈਂਚੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਦਿਆ ਕਰਨਾ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਥੱਕੜ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੇ ਹਮ Wow, man, look at the gold. Look at the gold. I don't know when we will get one more trade.
तिजोरियां भर रही हैं, इतना पैसा है कि खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। आज ही मैं 25 करोड़ रुपए लेके निकला था मार्केट में खर्च करने के लिए। साला बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करने के बाद भी 16 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए, 9 करोड़ रुपए अभी भी बचे। बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास, तिजोरियां भर रही हैं, इतना पैसा है कि खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। आज ही मैं 25 करोड़ रुपए लेके निकला था मार्केट में खर्च करने के लिए। साला बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करने के बाद भी 16 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए, 9 करोड़ रुपए अभी भी बचे हैं। बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास, बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास, तिजोरियां भर रही हैं, इतना पैसा है कि खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। आज ही मैं 25 करोड़ रुपए लेके निकला था।
ਉਹਨੇ ਦੇਖੀ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਖੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਯਾਰ ਉਹ ਪੰਜ ਛੇ ਵੈਸੇ ਆਏ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਵਕਤ ਤੇ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੀਮ ਬਣੇ ਆ bro we are pushing up to what I said if we can get the closure above 2028 the next stop would be 2034 wow yeah what can I do now nothing we can wait for wow look at these two 1 minute candles 15 pips wow wow man so can you guys leave a like on the stream now what we can do now we have to wait candles to come down this thing to happen ah, this is what I need now hmm. Yeah oh man gold gives us a move but you know what I was assuming the same thing like no volume and like fake outs and stuff all of the stuff that we have seen in the previous days so that is why like yeah that is why this shit happened no problem so let me fix this a little bit yeah now we need a closure below 910 187.910 yeah need a closure below 190 and pushing down hard man yeah let's see if we can get the closure below the range should be good to go down Oh man, look at this. What gold did here. Gold gives the 60 pip move here. 60 pips. And the thing I am waiting for Raja Banks. Maybe he say, hey man, hey, look at this. I took this trade and got like 50 pips and that's it. That was my day. Actually, he already took one trade, man, in the AN session. So maybe he... Can we get the closure below the range on the London Open? Oh man, the memes I'm watching. Oh man, hilarious. What a memes. Oh man, some good stuff here. Mm. Who is Muhammad Saad? Hmm. Alhamdulillah. शमूलियत वेलकम सदाम कमर विरक साहब चक नंबर 90 डीबी से नवीद अहमद विर्क मोहम्मद अकरम विर्क मोहम्मद असलम विर्क अपनी पूरी बरादरी के साथ चिमा ग्रुप को छोड़कर नून लीग चौधरी सऊद मजीद ग्रुप में शमूलियत इख्तियार कर ली। चौधरी सऊद मजीद साहब और चौधरी खालिद महमूद साहब की भरपूर हमायत का ऐलान। वाह भाई वाह वाह भाई वाह। Yeah, वाह भाई वाह I can say the only thing. War, by war. And people are crazy about elections.
पिछले 5 साल में सियासी स्पीच करके गए हैं, फकत सिर्फ अल्फाज की स्पीच ही करके गए हैं, काम कुछ नहीं कर कर गए। मैं मरहूम मखदूम अब्दुल्ला शाह बुखारी की पोती हूँ, ठीक है। यहाँ जितने भी बुजुर्ग बैठे हैं, मेरे दादा के दोस्त बैठे हैं, उनका उन्होंने हमेशा साथ दिया है। बुखारी ग्रुप कभी इस मौके से हारा नहीं है।
Yeah. Yeah. One more lie.
जब मेरे दादा की अपने वफात से 10 दिन पहले
Oh man.
अब्बा को बुला के कहते हैं कि वहाँ है मेरी मेरी हमारी बेटी है।
Can you guys tell me about your political stance? Like, which party you are supporting in this coming election in like 8-9 days? Wow. Yeah, man. So what I'm doing here, I'm waiting for the London Open to give me a closure so I can go down. Give me a closure below the range so I can see a push towards the downside. Yeah, if I can get the push towards the downside, I think, man, that would be good. That is the only thing that I'm looking for for now, man. Like, as we all know, we missed the trade on gold. Yeah, yeah, we missed the trade on gold, and man, no problem. But like, I think we should be fine. Yeah. GJ, UJ, Euro USD is now pushing down. So man, I didn't even done my breakfast, and I am on the stream. And if you think I'm not doing good, bro, it's up to you, man. Then, alright, candle did close with absolute no wick at the bottom. No wick at the bottom, absolute. So let's see how this candle come up, create a top wick, close over here. So on the next candle we can get a fire move. Yeah, we can get a fire move here, man. Man, missed the trade on gold. Mm. Oh, is he Wahhabias? No, he's not Wahhabias. 12 hours ago. Yeah, let me enjoy. Oh, video. Why? Nah, bro. I need the video. Look, excellence. I wanna watch the match. What the hell? Shukr alhamdulillah. Man, how? Where that? Oh, I think Lookwood excellent bowling. Let me see the Lookwood excellent bowling. And man, if you don't know Lookwood, he will be a superstar for England cricket. Yeah, man, he's a left arm good fast bowler. Hmm. Third wicket. Wow. Wow. Let's see. Oh, 100 runs partnership. Beautiful, man. Yeah, 3 wickets. A good spell here. Yeah, Canada did close. So what I'm doing here, I'm waiting for this candle to come up. Man, I am believing on the London Open, we will have a trade. And Man, we have a trade here, but unfortunately we didn't get into this trade, and that is it. Wow. Okay, JPY. Yeah, we need a candle to close. 1 hour candle to close. We should be good. Wow, man. That guy toes crush by Mitch's stock, cracking Yorker, and then they said you can't go to the ground because your toe is crushed, and then that man come to the ground and he tell everyone, if you have a courage for your country, you don't care about anything. Yeah. So what I said about gold, I said we can reject from this area 2034. If we can get the closure above this range, then the next stop would be this. Now you can see, man. Because of these key levels, I didn't get into this trade, man. But I don't know what I will do in the future. But the one thing that I know that I will do in the future of next 8 minutes, if this candle come up close below the range, I would go for a trade. And I think I will manage my trade from my laptop. Man, this is not good. I think I should have my uh, screen version magic keys on the PC, and the second magic key is on how would you have taken the trade on gold, sir? How would you have taken the trade on gold, sir? Let's say price broke the resistance and closed above. Why would you have waited for a bottom area? Yeah, bro, this is correct. A zillion, this is correct, man. Absolutely correct. So, can you guys leave a like on the stream? Calvin and George. Oh, welcome, man. Let's see if this candle can close below the range. Yeah, the only thing that restrict me to not take the trade on gold, this candle that was the last 5-minute candle of the 15-minute candle, and it break the high at the last 5 minutes, and I was like, yeah, man, maybe this candle get us into the trade and then close below the range. Same thing happened here. This we delete our sell stop, and why we were like, hey man, this can get us into the trade and then close above the range. So then what happened? This candle close like this. Yeah, And I was like, yeah, if this candle can close below the range, I will definitely go for a above this 2028 level. I will definitely go for a buy. But then I was like, yeah, man, if this candle come down to create a bottom wick, tap into this area, I will also go for a buy. But nothing happened. Now I'm waiting for this thing to happen. Like if we can come down and create a support, I think then we will have a good area. Or if we can get the closure below the range, I think that would be a good. Yeah, man. Let's see. This is how our trade will look like. Yeah, this is how our trade will look like. Yeah. If we can break the low, we should be good. Not now, on the next candle. All I want is this 30-minute candle to close below the range. And look at this. That support become a resistance. And that resistance gives us a closure below the range. And that closure, this is a structure now. This is a structure and our stop loss would be the high of the structure. Ah man, look at this. We will. And where we can take some money. Yeah, I think this is a good area for us to take some money, or maybe move our stop loss to break even. This is a good area. And yeah, other than that, everything is looking clean, clean, clean. Oh man. Wow. So yeah, this is so yeah, let's see, man. We have clean candles on this side, so yeah, I don't care about anything. And yeah. Oh, on the 1 hour time frame, we are already pushing down. But I don't care about the 1 hour time frame because we need a structure on the 30-minute time frame. When we need a structure on the 30-minute time frame, who the fuck I am to think about the 1 hour time frame? So yeah, guys, can you leave a like on the stream? I think you can. Why I'm thinking like you can? Because man, believe me, I really want to see a candle to close below the range so I can go for a sell. But I also want to see a, like, if this kind of close like this, just like this, next kind of came up here, that would be good. We have like 2 minutes. Yeah, let's wait 2 minutes. Yeah, if this candle break its own low, no problem. Oh wow, we break the low. I like that. Yeah, at the end of the day, I want this candle to close with a bottom wick. Yeah, at the end of the day, I want this candle to close with a bottom wick. I have no problem with this 2-3 pip move. Yeah, yeah, I have here what gold is doing. Why it is doing the stuff like that, man. We have 1.5 minutes left. 1.5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if this candle can close over here, next candle came up, should be good. Should be good, man. And our stop loss will be above the structure. Our entry is now 5 pips below. Like first entry was there. Now our entry is 5 pips below. But no problem. Yeah, I want this candle to pull back a little bit and let's see, man. This area is very close. 7 pips. So yeah, let's see, man. We need a top wick for the next candle and then we will see a push. We have 30 seconds, 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left for the candle to close. And this is my last bet, man. This is my last bet. If I don't get into this trade, then man, I don't think so I need any more thing like, yeah, then I don't think so I have I'll call it a day then. So yeah, candle did close. Let's see if we can tap into this area. Yeah, good. All right. All right, man. Low 860. Yeah, I am going to have a sell stop here. Yeah, what is the high of this kind of 14? Stop loss is good. Yeah, man. No, I don't need that. Yeah, let's see. All right, I'm in this trade, man. I'm in this trade, no problem. Now we should be good. Yeah, took the trade on my plan, and yeah, let's see if it works out. If it not, no problem. I will lose like 1% here. Yeah, let's see, man. There is no management until we get the closure above the range. Yeah, there is no management. Let's see. I'm in this trade. I took the trade on my plan. This can be a win, this can be a loss. So let me add this on my streaming record and let me copy this. Yeah, this can be a win, this can be a loss. No problem. If you think this is not a good trade for you, man, you guys don't take this trade if you think this is not a good trade for you. But if you think this is a good trade, we got a top wick and we got a, yeah. So yeah, man, it's up to you. Activated, yeah, man. Everyone should be get activated here. And streaming. Oh, what the hell is this? All right, so what is the date today? What is the time? 1 p.m. and 29. Oh, 01. What the hell is this? So yeah, 0 1 again, man. Why? Yeah, 0 1 29 24, and this trade is on GJ. This is a sell. This is a breakout. Took the trade on the break of the previous candle, high low, 30-minute time frame, 1% risk. And the worst thing that can happen here is we can lose this trade. And if we can lose this trade, how much will we lose here? Like, the worst thing that can happen is we can lose 21 pips here. That's it. So yeah, I already made decision of to lose 21 pips here. So yeah, no problem for me. So we have a London Open. We should see a push, and yeah, London Open trade, no problem. If we can see a push, I think we should be good. Yeah, we should see a push here. Yeah, we came up for like 6.5 pips, no problem. If market if market wanna take from me, how much it can take from me? It can take, the maximum it can take is 1%. I'm willing to give market 1%, but so yeah. Oh, how sick it is. Magic keys. I think I will close like 90 per 85%. That's it. So, yeah, man. Let's see how this trade works. The maximum that I can lose here is, yeah, the maximum that I can lose here is just 20%. Oh, 1%. No, man, 20% doesn't make any sense. So yeah. Yeah, man, that was my plan. I execute the trade on my plan. Now I don't know. Maybe if this works, maybe not. 21. I already. Oh, what happened here? Yeah, I already have 21 pips stop loss here. Yeah. 0.30 dollar. What the heck? 0.30 dollar. And I may be up like, yeah, and yearly record. Yeah, I took 2 break evens, 1 loss, 1 win here. Oh, yeah, I took 1 win here, but I didn't add that win. Yeah, I have to add that win. Copy, paste, and that was a GJ buy breakout. Yeah, that was on the 30-minute time frame. Risk was 0.5%. I took 14 pips there. 14. Oh man, what the hell? 14. Wow. I don't know my yeah, 14. What's going on? Oh wow. We are breaking the high. I'm going to have a partial SL here. If we can break the high. No, I think I have to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If it closes bullish below the range, I will close half. If it closes bullish above the range, I will cut the trade. If it closes bearish, I have no problem. Yeah. If it closes bearish, I have no problem. And if it if it closes bearish, I will have a partial SL above this candle high, this 15-minute candle high. Let's see. Yeah, that was our break-even point. It tapped into the break-even point. The 5-pip move that we see in the last minute, in the last 2 minutes, that wasn't good. Yeah, that 5-minute move wasn't good. So yeah, like if we can get the trade from here, now then our trade could be like, yeah, 13. Yeah, man, I am going to close half of the trade. If we can come down a little bit, I will close half of my trade here. Or maybe I wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, maybe I close my full trade if 15-minute candle close above the range. So 1 hour is very good. 30-minute is extremely good. Yeah, man, 30-minute is extremely good. Maybe this can be a top wick for the 1 hour candle. And then we come down. Yeah, this can be a top wick for the 1 hour candle. Wow, gold is pushing down. That is why GJ is pushing up. Oh, man. Yeah. Gold is pushing down. GJ is pushing up. Yeah, I close half at 7 pips. 8 pips. No, let me see. 7 pips. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Ah, shit. All right. So we have, oh, candle close here. I'm going to close the full trade. Close. 8 pips, man. Candle close above the range. Yeah, I closed the full trade at 8 pips. Yeah. Close the full trade at 8 pips, man. This is a fake out now. Yeah, man. I don't want to be in this trade. So yeah, man. That was the trade. Close half at 7 pips. Close full trade at I think 8 pips or 9 pips. Let me see. Uh, I don't know. Maybe we come down. Maybe we don't. But yeah, man. I manage my risk. This is the thing that I said. I said if this candle close above the range, I will close the full trade. If it close, and one more thing, this candle close with no wick at the top. Maybe this candle come down. So if it come down, I have no problem. Like my plan was, if this candle close above the range, I will close the full trade, and I think I got like 8 pips stop loss here. Yeah, guys, 8 pips stop loss here. If you think this is big for you, man, no. Yeah, instead of losing 1%, I lose like $15 or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I lose like $20. Yeah. Uh, Wait a minute, guys. Let me see how much I lose. Yeah, you can. All right. So, oh, $16. Instead of losing 1%, I lost nothing. Oh, why this broker is not on the screen? Wow. GJ is pushing down. Wow. Yeah. Should we cry on this? No, we shouldn't. Why? Because we... Bro, this is not an 8 cap. Let me... 8 cap. Yeah, 8 cap. But what happened? Yeah. So yeah, bro, listen, we lost like less than 0.5%. By like, if your risk is $100, you only lost $32. But it means you decrease your risk by 70%. Yeah, that was the trade, guys. That was the trade. We act on our edge and rest of the probability. Yeah, man. 100%. 100%. So I am down like on this trade point minus 0.32%. 32%. Man. And I, instead of losing 1%, I lost $16. Instead of losing uh, instead of losing 1%, I lost 16.24. Yeah, no problem. If you think managing risk is no, yeah, man, this is the live example of managing risk. So yeah, can you guys leave a like, give a like? Father cousin मेरा कह रहा है वो लवानी पैनी है antibiotic tablets. So yeah, man, one of my friend is sick and he's in hospital, and pray for him. So yeah, I closed the full trade at 8 pips instead of losing like more. I just lost. Man, missed this trade on gold and then lost the money on GJ. If we would have took this trade, yeah, I think, man, that was a good trade, man. Like, but the one point is also 30-minute is still open. If we are bullish for the day. Yeah, I think we have done a good job here. This thing may come down, but yeah, I have no problem. So instead of losing, yeah, the best thing that I like about myself is instead of losing 1%, I only lost 0.3%. Yeah, I only lost 0.3%. If this kind of flip bullish break its own high, I think that will be a fake out on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, that will be a fake out on the 30-minute time frame. So gold. Yeah, the thing is, you all know this. I said that will be a break-even point. So we were looking for the trade here. If we got the entry here, I think we should. Yeah, but without looking at the entry, I think we should look at the market. And once we have this area, we should move our stop loss to break even. Yeah, we should move our stop loss to break even. And overall, I lost like seven pips. Overall, I lost 7 pips. Oh wow, we break the high. Yeah, this kind of break its own high. We got a better, yeah, we got a better exit. Better exit. So yeah, man, that was the day. I'm still on the stream. I'm not saying I'm going to end the stream, but like that was the trade.
can say is holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, carrying buckets it's a shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.